Canceling a transfer in CIBC is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, sign on to online banking or the mobile banking application. Then select Interact e-Transfer. After that, check the status of the transfer. Only transfers labeled Sent can be stopped. Review and select an amount. Confirm the stop payment. The success of canceling a transfer often depends on how quickly you act. Once a transfer is initiated, it may not be possible to cancel it if it has already been processed. Keep a record of any communication, reference numbers, or confirmation emails related to the cancellation for your records. In some cases, especially for larger transactions, you may need to visit a CIBC branch in person to request a cancellation. Contacting customer service in advance can guide you on the appropriate steps.